Hi folks, it's Calum here from Ardnamurchan Distillery. I wanted to share with you today one of my favourite cocktails. It's not a complicated cocktail, in fact it's very simple. If you haven't guessed what it is by the ingredients in front of me yet, that cocktail will be a hot toddy. Perfect for this time of year, for the festive season, for when the weather outside is dreich and miserable. And for my hot toddy, I'm going to be putting our Ardnamurchan Cask Strength in there. We're using the Ardnamurchan Cask Strength for a very good reason, or a couple of reasons. First of all, it's cask strength, so if you're choked up with something, you're probably going to want to go with something that's got a bit of power to it. And it's also peated. And for me, a hot toddy, this is only personal, but a hot toddy has to have a bit of peat, a bit of smoke. And the Ardnamurchan Cask Strength is this really nice, dry Highland peat, which just seems to work in a hot toddy. So all you need to produce a hot toddy is some hot water. I'm sure everyone can get their hands on that. 1 lemon, some honey, a little bit of cinnamon, some cloves, and obviously your choice of whiskey, but I would suggest Ardnamurchan, and definitely Ardnamurchan Cask Strength. So to start this cocktail, you're going to want to grab a glass, or in my case, these very nice camping mugs. I'm not that classy, so a mug's fine with me. And you're going to want to fill that probably about 2/3 full. Round about that. And the first thing you want to put into this cocktail is going to be the honey. Now I'm going to go for 2 teaspoonfuls, so not an awful lot. But this just gives your cocktail a little bit of sweetness, and you can imagine honey really good for your throat. So yeah, 2 teaspoons of honey, and I'm just mixing that in, letting the honey dissolve and go into the water. Already smells quite nice. You could just drink it like this, but it's not ready. Once you've got your honey dissolved, you're then going to want to go in with your single malt, your whiskey. And for this, we're going to put in 60 mils. But the measure is sitting behind the camera, so just like magic. Yeah, we're going to go 60 mils with the Ardnamurchan Cask Strength. So we're going to go in with this. Pop that to the side. Give it a quick mix. I'm going to sit that in front. We're then going to grab our lemon. Now it's up to yourself how much lemon juice you put into your toddy. I think half a lemon is plenty. So take half a lemon. We're going to squeeze the juice out of it. Now many people measure these things. I don't think measurements are really necessary for a toddy. Half a lemon. You get plenty of juice out of half a lemon. And we are going to try and pour that into the cocktail, hopefully without the pits. So it's probably, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of lemon. It's not a lot, but it's enough. It's enough just to liven this cocktail up. Once your lemon's in, all you then really need to do is garnish. And we're going to garnish it with a cinnamon stick, a wee smattering of cloves, and to finish it off, we're just going to take a slice of lemon, I'm going to remove the pits. Now you could be fancy and sit it on the side, but I am just going to sit it in the cocktail, and there you have an Ardnamurchan hot toddy. Perfect for this time of year.